Meet the Citroën XM, a futuristic, luxurious, and controversial car from the 90s. With a ride that feels like floating on air and amazing technology, it amazed the automotive world. Discover shocking facts that every car enthusiast will love. The Citroën XM is famous for its unique hydropneumatic suspension system, a technology that made it feel like the car was gliding on air. This self-leveling suspension could automatically adjust to the road, keeping the car steady and giving a ride that few luxury cars could match at the time. On bumpy roads, potholes, or highway cruising, the XM stayed smooth like a magic carpet, almost like it was from the future. But this clever system had a downside. It was very complex, using hydraulic fluid and many sensors. If something broke, repairs were very expensive and often needed special skills, which annoyed some owners. Despite this, fans admire the XM's suspension as one of the most advanced car technologies of the late 20th century. For Citroën, it showed years of engineering skill and focus on comfort, making the XM a technological wonder, even if it could be tricky to maintain. When the Citroën XM launched in 1989, its bold and angular look immediately divided opinions. Some people called it futuristic and striking, while others thought it was too sharp and unusual. Despite the mixed reactions, the XM's design won the prestigious European Car of the Year award in 1990, beating competitors like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class. The body was designed by the famous Italian design company Bertone, giving it a unique mix of elegance and toughness. Its smooth lines, aerodynamic shape, and careful details made it stand out in a market full of traditional executive sedans. The design wasn't just about looks. It also offered a spacious interior and good aerodynamics, which helped with fuel efficiency. Winning such a big award secured Citroën's place in the luxury car market, showing that bold, creative design could compete with well-known German brands. The XM became a symbol of French automotive creativity, daring to be different in a highly competitive era. Inside the Citroën XM, drivers found a futuristic cockpit that was far ahead of most cars in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The car had an optional digital dashboard, which was rare at a time when analog dials were normal in luxury cars. This dashboard showed speed, fuel, and other important information in a modern, sleek digital style, giving the interior a high-tech feel. The controls were easy to reach, and the cabin was designed for comfort and convenience, showing Citroën's focus on driver-friendly innovation. But the advanced technology had a downside. The electronics could be unreliable. Digital parts could glitch or stop working, leaving owners frustrated and needing specialist repairs. Even with these issues, the XM's interior was a bold look at what the future could be, offering features that wouldn't be common in regular cars for another 10 years. It showed Citroën's willingness to try new ideas and push limits, cementing the XM's place as a pioneering executive car with a unique French style. While many luxury sedans in the late 1980s used petrol engines, the Citroën XM stood out by offering a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine. This strong diesel engine gave excellent fuel efficiency without losing performance, making it perfect for long European drives and executives who wanted both economy and comfort. The diesel XM could handle highways and city traffic easily, giving smooth acceleration and strong power for overtaking. At a time when diesel engines were mostly seen in economy cars or trucks, Citroën showed that a diesel luxury sedan could perform at a high level. The Citroën XM's suspension system didn't just make the car float, it worked entirely using hydraulic fluid. This meant that if the hydraulic system had a leak, the car could actually sink to the ground overnight, creating a dramatic scene in the garage. The hydraulic system controlled everything from ride height, braking, to steering, all in one fluid-based network. While this was revolutionary, the complexity worried owners, because even a small leak could lead to expensive repairs and downtime. Citroën engineers designed the system to focus on comfort, and stability. But relying on hydraulics meant it needed regular maintenance to avoid serious problems. Even with these challenges, the hydraulic suspension was one of the most advanced car technologies of its time. It gave the XM an almost living feeling on the road. Car fans today admire the system for its clever design and the smooth ride it delivered, even though it needed careful attention. One of the most amazing features of the Citroën XM was its ability to change ride height on the fly. Using its hydropneumatic suspension, the car could raise or lower itself by up to 10 centimeters with just the push of a button. This feature wasn't just for show, it had practical uses. Drivers could raise the car for rough roads, steep driveways, or speed bumps, and lower it for easier entry, better aerodynamics, or more stability on the highway. This space shuttle-like ability made the XM feel very futuristic, offering a level of customization rare for its time. It not only improved comfort, but also showed Citroën's focus on innovation and driver convenience. While the system was technically advanced, it needed careful maintenance to stay reliable. The adjustable ride height became one of the XM's most famous features, showing a mix of French creativity and engineering skill that set it apart from other luxury sedans of the 1990s. For drivers who wanted performance along with luxury, the Citroën XM offered a 3.0-liter V6 engine, giving a great combination of smoothness and speed. With this engine, the XM could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 8 seconds, an impressive achievement for a large executive sedan of its time. The V6 delivered strong torque, responsive handling, and effortless cruising at high speeds, making it competitive against German rivals. Combined with the hydropneumatic suspension, the V6-powered XM offered a unique driving experience, a sedan that could perform like a sports car while maintaining supreme comfort. This engine option lifted the XM from a quirky, tech-heavy car to a serious contender in the luxury market, appealing to enthusiasts who wanted both style and performance. Today, the V6 models are highly prized by collectors, showing the perfect mix of Citroën innovation, French design, and spirited driving. The Citroën XM's design was bold, sharp, and instantly recognizable. Designed by Bertone, its angular lines and wedge shape made it polarizing. Some loved it as futuristic, others found it too unusual. The styling wasn't just for looks, it improved aerodynamics and road stability, showing Citroën's focus on standing out. Today, many enthusiasts see the XM as an iconic symbol of French automotive creativity, proving that daring design can leave a lasting mark.